Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to set up Scan to folder on Canon Business Series printer step by step. Before we start the steps, we need to make sure that our desktop or the laptop is connected on the same Wi-Fi or on the LAN connection on which our printer is connected. And if you don't know the admin credentials of your printer, you can check with your IT support. Now we will start the steps. First, we need to check which version of Windows we are using. If you are a user of Windows 10 Pro or the 11 Pro, you can create the new user like this step. You can go to this PC, show more option, manage. Here you will see local user and groups. You will click on the user and you will create a new user. You can choose any name you like. Here we are using MFP, and the password you can choose anyone. But remember this password for further configuration. And in case you are user of Home Edition, you go through with this procedure. Go to Control Panel, go to User and Accounts, manage another account, add a new user in PC settings, add an account. I don't have this person's login information. Click over here, add a user without Microsoft account. Choose any name you like before we use MFP, any password. And here are some security questions you can fill over there and the user account will be ready. For the time being, we are using the same account the first we created. The next step is we will go to the control panel. We will go to program and features. We will go to turn off Windows feature on and off. And here you will scroll down and we will find here SMB 1.0 CIFS file export sharing. We will just click the first one and all three will be automatically tick mark and make it OK. It will check some required files and once done, it will ask you to restart or don't restart. Now here's the option, we will restart later. The next step is we will go to our PC. In C or D drive, you can create a folder anywhere. Here we will create one folder. You can give any name. I am giving the name My Scan. Properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, permission. Here we will remove everyone. And we will add our new user what we have created. We have created a new user MFP. Check names. We found our user. Allow all the permissions. Apply, OK. Apply, OK. Share. Here we add our user. Add and give full read-write permission. Share. And the next thing, you must need to know that what is the IP address of your printer. If you don't know, you can see our video which is already updated on our channel, that how to check the IP address of Canon printer. You can click on the Microsoft browser. The IP address of our printer is 192.168.0.112. The username will be administrator. In most of the cases, if the password is not being changed, the default password is 7654321. But if your IT has already been changed the password, you need to check with him. Once you logged in, go to address book, scroll it down, and you will find address list 1. Register a new destination. You will click over here and you will click on file, set. You will write the name you want to see on the printer or the username you want to for the person who is using this laptop or the desktop. We will put here for this test. And if you don't know the host name, you can go through with this procedure. Go to command prompt, write ipconfig /all, make enter, and on the top you will find the host name. Make it copy paste, and go to settings. It is asking for the folder path. We have created the folder name my scan. Make sure if you have given the space in the folder you have created, it should be space here. And if you have not given the space, it should be without space. The username, our username is MFP, and the password, what you have chosen over there, you can put the password over there. Click on OK. Click on OK. And now your scan to SMB folder is ready to use. In some cases, if your scan is still not coming after restarting your PC, you need to check that either your firewall or either your antivirus is not blocking your incoming traffic.